G'day guys, so today we're going to be building the spider. Make sure you check out the description below, which has a list of all the tools, materials, alternative elements which could be used to swap out for this piece, as well as any other elements which could connect to it in some way. So we've marked out the holes for the spider that we're making here, and now we've got the labourers to dig some holes there. Now we're just fixing those motorbike tyres into place using a lot of dirt, watering that earth as well so it gets nice and compact. Again, you want to smash that earth inside of those tyres to give it really strong connection. Space them out evenly so they look like a bit of a spider. Depends on what sort of spider you want to make. Now this spider's starting to look a bit more spiderish. So this design, as well as all of our designs, are made to be used in conjunction with the free safety handbook, which is available from the website. It's just down there.
Hey, what did you think of the video? Please let us know down below in the comments. And please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of what Patrick's doing in India. You can go and visit playgroundideas.org, which has 150 designs and all the resources that you need to build an awesome playground. And lastly, we've got a ton more videos to watch, so check them out here.